Today, we're diving into Hostinger's AI Builder. With so many website builders out there, can this one really stand out? Let's break down what it offers and see if it's worth your time and money. Hostinger's AI Builder is designed to help users create websites quickly and efficiently, leveraging artificial intelligence to streamline the process. Right off the bat, the interface feels user-friendly, which is a plus for beginners who may feel overwhelmed by more complex platforms. You can start with a template and let the AI suggest layouts and content based on your niche, which can be a time saver. However, while the AI capabilities are intriguing, there's a bit of uncertainty about how much control users have over customization. Some elements feel rigid, which might frustrate those looking for more creative freedom. The intended audience seems to be small business owners or individuals looking to establish an online presence without much hassle. But it's worth noting that the documentation on advanced features is sparse. For users who want to dive deeper or need specific functionalities, you might find yourself hunting for answers or tutorials that aren't readily available. Now, let's talk pros and cons. On the positive side, the AI-driven design process can save a lot of time for those who are less tech-savvy. It's affordable, making it accessible for small businesses or personal projects. On the flip side, the lack of detailed customization options can be a drawback for more experienced users who want to tailor their sites extensively. Additionally, there are some trust concerns regarding the platform's long-term viability and support options. While it seems reliable now, the absence of ample user feedback makes it hard to gauge how well it'll hold up in the future. If you're someone who values flexibility and a rich feature set, this might not be the platform for you. But for beginners or those needing a quick online solution, it could fit the bill. In conclusion, Hostinger's AI Builder is worth considering if you're just starting out and need a straightforward way to build a website. However, if you're looking for advanced features and customization, you may want to explore other options. Overall, it's a decent choice, but proceed with caution if you need more than the basics.